Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. So in today's video it's time for the Multi-Mega TV game station. So this thing has been sent in by a fellow watcher and Mr. Sante. Yes, he sent me this just to check it out here on the channel. So a little shout out to you, buddy. It's awesome that you're sending in stuff because it helps and it's always fun to look at weird, obscure stuff. So this device has been made especially for a couple of markets here in Europe. It's quite old and pretty obscure. It comes with a controller, a little plastic cheap gun for like the duck hunt, and a steering wheel that's a combination with the controller. Not a lot of information, so let's take a close look at the product itself. Because here it is. So, oh man, the suction knobs. Alright, so what we're going to get is more like a plug and play device. I think I did a review quite some time ago with a similar product, but yeah, they look all the same, but at the end we're getting some different games. So here we have the little button that you can switch between player 1 and player 2. A, B, turbo buttons, because all of these games are just basically 8-bit games. Select start, D-pad, and again the A and B button over there. We can use it like a steering wheel that we're going to try out. We're having here the on and off switch. We're having here the on and off switch, and we're having the reset button. So that looks familiar if you look at, let's say, the handhelds. Here we have the controller port, because we're going to get what I already mentioned. Let's see where it is. We're going to get this gray, very doesn't break, flimsy, cheap controller. I can't test it because I don't have a CRT at the moment. And we're having, yes people, they are ripping off the Sega 16-bit controller, yeah, the SIG button. And I must say, the D-pad feels very flimsy. Select, yeah, nothing really special. And it has the original connection of the Mega Drive, so we can basically use an original Mega Drive controller. We're having here the battery compartment. I already put some batteries in over here, because just I'm going to use it on batteries. At the end we having here at the back, we having the AV out function. It has mono audio output and just basic component cable, and here we have the 9-volt input if you want to use a power supply. This thing weighs quite heavy, by the way. So this is what it is. This is the console itself. It's the Multi-Mega TV game. So let's take a close look and let's see what we're going to get. Alright, so when powering on the system, this is what we're going to get. So what you're going to do with the D-pad, I can move around through the next game, or I hope so. Man, you need to press this thing for your heart. Sharpshooter! So I'm guessing this is for the gun itself that it came with it. I can't test it because I don't have a CRT at the moment. Racing Pioneer, GP Race, Race 1, Ultra Buggy. Ooh, that sounds pretty exciting. Alright, let's do Ultra Buggy. How do you select the game? Start. Ooh, yeah. Okay, let's start the game. Let's see what we're going to get. Seriously? And they call this... This is freaking a fucking Frogger clone or something. Oh. Oh grab, 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 oh grab. But I wanted to search a game where I can use the freaking steering wheel. Okay, let's try Race 1. I wanted to use this freaking... Yes. Oh, that sound! Alright, let's go. We have a racing game. Did a bit of a dead zone, but... that sound. I'm racing on another planet, with my waving car. Waving or floating car. And they sound like an 8-bit system. Reset it once again. Oh, for fuck's sake. The bloody thing is only for player 2 or what? Let's try this. Okay. What do we have more? Jump car. Let's play another racing game. That sounds pretty shitty. Yeah. Can move. No, I can't move with the. Can I use the steering wheel? Yeah, I can use the steering wheel. Give me the power. It's a funny game. It's a funny game. Oh, here it comes, here it comes, here it comes, people, here it comes. Here it comes again, here it comes again. Alright, let's see what we have more. Oh man, this is really horrible. I can't play this game. Huntsman. Sounds exciting. Okay, this is the shooting game. Alright, I can play it, so let's move on. Birdie Hunt. What the hell is this? This thing is filled up with weird shit. Oh, just basically a puzzle game. But can we play with 2 players? Because I have the second controller. Oh wait! With this game I can use a controller. Oh man, the D-pad is pretty awful. But there's no way to reset this thing, so we need to use the freaking steering wheel. Alright, it seems to be I can play this game with the controller. Look at this. That's what we call a basic sound effect. Oh. Bulu, 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 bulu. Oh, didn't crash. Alright, so that's what you're going to get with the steering wheel and controller in one. It's pretty shitty, people. So I have really no clue why you even want to buy this. Yeah, I buy it because I want to make a review about it and I want to throw with it because I'm pretty damn pissed. But if you look at this, yeah, didn't even try this one, it don't matter. But if you look at the controller itself, it's pretty flimsy. The games are not, there are only a couple of games on them, so that is pretty weird to be honest. And what I didn't mention it before, but as you can see here, this product can only be sold in Belgium, Switzerland and Holland. What the hell? So this, what is this? So it was made for 3 markets. There are no copyrighted games on this thing, so I have really no clue why this is. So if you have an idea, let me know in the comments. So this is what you're going to get with the multi-mega system. Pretty shitty if you ask me. If you see one and you want to collect this stuff, be my guest, buy it. But otherwise, avoid and don't waste your money, even if it's a freaking euro. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and become one of the Wicked family.